Miss you. Love you.
Martin,
Yeah,
what's the most effective SSRI in your opinion?
they're all pretty effective. I don't think one's better than the other.
So it pretty much doesn't matter.
I mean, some might work for you better than others.
I mean, I've been on pretty much every single one, but I would say fluoxetine's been the best.
Yeah, good choice.
Yeah.
They have different sort of chemical subtypes, so like sometimes they'll affect different metabolism enzymes differently. Sometimes there's some tiny unknown variations that are hard to predict between them. Some of them have different pharmacology, but in general they don't.
Yeah, mine's a bit different because I have really bad OCD, so it's like not really depression, but they kind of categorize it as depression. So it's been a bit difficult to find one that truly helps.
My go-to is sertraline, but that's just generally because anecdotally I've heard that it works the best.
Also a nice choice.
I've also heard escitalopram, so escitalopram is pretty good for anxiety type symptoms.
And clonazepam helps quite a bit.
Well, that's that's different.
I know.
I've never prescribed clonazepam, I don't think, outside of the hospital.
You've never been prescribed it?
No, I've never prescribed it myself.
Oh.
I took it once and it knocked me out for 18 years. So I did not take it again.
I have to take it every day.
Well, it's good, it works for you.
Yeah.
I generally never prescribe things, so
I kind of joke around. It's like, oh, I'm taking Adderall because it really helps me focus.
Mm.
Which is quite odd. A lot of people say it makes them tired and stuff, but I don't know.
Martin, are you still doing your dating schedule?
What do you mean?
I'm asking, do you need to fill in an application form?
Are you talking about the dating thing?
Yeah.
My love, this is just a publicity stunt. I have no intention on seeing any of those women.
Hey, what?
Hey, whoa!
I have a countdown. Somewhere. I think it's 66 days.
I may have a platonic tea with the said friend in this chat.
I might actually be.
But that's another story.
Are you saying I don't need to put in my measurements
No,
into
ma'am.
a Google Doc?
No, ma'am. No, you do not.
Good to know.
What about tricyclic antidepressants or tetracyclic?
Cyclic. Yeah, the older tricyclics are something else.
Yeah, what's the main difference?
Well, They inhibit this MAO enzyme, monoamine oxidase. They sort of accomplish the same thing in a sort of dirtier way. Patients SSRI refractory you can try, but I prefer to go to the SNRIs. I found Effexor and Cimbal to work well for my patients.
Yeah, I actually started taking Wellbutrin as well.
Yeah.
And MDI, and that helps a lot too.
And mostly your OCD problems?
Yeah. Yes, severe, like really bad.
Have you tried CBT?
I have. It does absolutely nothing.
Yeah, you can try different. Other people may find it. You may find other providers to be more useful sometimes. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I've been to a bunch of different ones. I've been struggling with this my whole life, and it's been a bit debilitating.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Am I sure?
I said I'm sure. I'm sure it is very debilitating.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite hard. But like when I get really bad panic attacks, like from it, it's like clonazepam that by far is the best. And I know it's not the safest, but it's just the truth from my experience.
Yeah, no, benzos do their job.
Yeah.
Somebody asked me about car collection. I've actually never driven a car. I don't have a driver's license. Put me behind the wheel and there won't be many survivors.
Well, you live in New York, you don't need to.
Yeah, mostly true.
Yeah.
It was Shkreli. We in the same boat. I don't have my license either. I'll walk anywhere in Chicago, no cap. Like,
I feel like parking is a bitch in New York City. You just would not be able to find a place to park.
We can do like monthly parking courses, but it's not cheap. Mine was a little over $400 a month, and I got a discount because the people liked my car.
wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
You guys heard about the new tax going to Manhattan? Like they're trying to like do some kind of new tax thing where if you like
No way.
Can do or whatever, like if you have to go park in Manhattan, it's like an $8 an hour charge, like or some shit. Like yeah, it's
For a tax?
It's like if you're driving a car to Manhattan, they're just straight up taxing you. I'm not really sure what the exact details are, but it was pretty like annoying. It's just they want to like prevent congestion or something.
Are they copying the London model?
I guess so, something like that.
Well, that's like in Florida, every highway's taxed. Or every road's taxed. Or toll, yeah. That's what it is.
I mean, they're already full.
Oh. I know every new road is tolled or something. That's what it is. That's crazy.
Yeah,
You
so
can get motorbikes though if you live in a big city, right?
You can get what?
Like a motorbike.
Oh, I wanted to get one when I lived in New York City, but I've only seen one in New York City, and they just parked it in front of their like house thing. Brownstone. It's so weird.
The
But
house
I
thing.
never saw like a Vespa in the streets ever
Huh.
in New York City. Besides just that single red one, and I got.
yeah, so I'm reading it looks like the easy pass into New York City is generally what $13.75, but if you're going during like peak hours, however they define it, it's gonna be bumped up to $23.
Whoa. Damn.
And yeah, that's correct. You know, the kids in Bloomberg, right? You know, they gotta pull the funds from somewhere. I guess they're gonna tax you to death, so they take the subway, right?
Facts. Just clear out the subway crime. Get more ridership. I remember the New York mayor saying ridership is only at like 60% or less.
Yeah, no, I mean, I don't take anything Eric Adams says seriously, dude. All he's doing is going to parties and chilling with the celebs, dude. He's not doing anything, bro.
He's
Facts.
got the weirdest fashion taste. yet, so he has an improvement, I guess.
He's very passionate about downtown spending and tourism.
He was also like, by the way, like having a fleet of drones like to like stop crime or some shit. I was like, bro, like what the fuck are you doing?
Wow. Just get RoboCop in Manhattan.
I mean, we're a first world country. We look down on experimenting on like people and just like taking like autonomy and turning it to cyborgs, right? Like I mean, we're not allowed to do that here. Maybe in China, but not here.
He was talking about this, we call it, trying to think of that show. Good Morning, he's on Good Morning America, and he was talking about the correlation between just getting people to fill office space in downtown New York and the ridership. Just get this everyone back in sync, and we'll just focus on the crime there. It's like the same thing in Chicago. They're like, okay, if people aren't riding the trains and everyone's working from home, like, what the hell's going downtown? Crime. So if more people are riding the train, there's less crime happening.
I mean, like as much as I bitch about Eric Adams, dude, I still like him more than Lori. Like, what, dude? Like,
Yeah,
so
yeah, Lori's tanked us hard. So,
Shut up my dual maybe right. For a while.
Ugh, sucks. No, most of my family isn't gifted. Okay, this is what I was looking for, a public key hash. Oh yeah, RipeMD. Durr. Okay, well, it's 12:15. I kind of want to go to sleep. Kind of don't.
Does IQ really matter though at the end of the day? I mean, like, what if you have a really low IQ gives a shit.
What if you have a low IQ but you're happy?
True.
It's probably better than anything else.
True.
I mean, don't all the business journals say now that kind of just having average IQ is enough, but you just really need more EQ? Like, isn't that kind of general consensus these days, right?
Yeah, I think everybody needs like a free 2 years of like liberal arts, and then, you know, everyone be more well-rounded.
Hey,
Me too, Mo. Gives you a lot of choices, you know. And
Hey, you know, like, you know, situation. One thing, like, you know, like, I like meme on liberal arts all the time, but like, you know,
yeah,
yeah, I know we do, but like, I mean, like, when I was in the UK, like, I was really impressed by like a lot of the kind of undergraduates who kind of did like philosophy, politics, and economics. Like, you know, those guys are really whip smart. Like, you know,
for
yeah,
sure. You know, I think it was really beneficial to learn statistics.
what do you? I mean, I learned that in engineering. I guess my liberal degree was very specific to music and piano.
Yeah,
Oh, that's cool.
Liberal arts degree. What kind of jobs can you get?
I mean, my cousin's got an art history degree and he's in commercial real estate. He can do anything.
Yeah.
I mean, the reality is a lot of this finance stuff you could just pick up on the job, but like critical thinking you can't teach, right? So, you know, like,
Back.
Self-taught.
yeah,
Mike,
exactly.
who do you know that's in commercial real estate? Mike, who do you know that's in commercial real estate? Did you say it was your brother?
No, it's my cousin in Brooklyn.
Oh, okay. Who does he work for?
I can get you that.
Okay.
If you really
I just
want to
was
know,
a bit-
it's like
No.
some
I
whatever.
know somebody that works for JLL, and I think they're pretty big in Chicago, so I just didn't know if it was the same firm.
No, it's a different firm.
I got about 50 different React resumes and emails. I didn't go to Hunter College. I went to Hunter College High School. I went to Baruch College for university. Bruh, how are you not in prison? Well, I got sentenced, and eventually the sentence runs out.
Martin, what was the first business you started?
Me?
Yeah.
It was a unsuccessful hedge fund.
How old were you when you started it?
23, I guess.
Jeez.
I mean, I shouldn't have started it. I should have waited.